Okay, so you need some parts put on your vehicle, maybe some trim moldings or a windshield, and we're going to put those on for you as we discussed earlier. So one of the things people ask us is, am I going to get original factory parts put on? Are they going to be aftermarket or are they going to be used? Well, let me answer that. We at Dent Dominator have a policy that we will 100% of the time put factory or OEM parts on your vehicle. That's our policy. But sometimes insurance companies will request that you have an aftermarket or a used part put on. It doesn't happen often, it happens occasionally. When that happens, we go to bat and still try to put those OEM parts on for you. That is always our first go-to method. And if we can't put OEM on, we have that discussion with you. And that will be something we'll work out between you and your insurance company. But our policy, by and large, always 100%, if we can, that's what goes on the vehicle.